Living in Maricopa, Arizona means enjoying stunning desert views, plenty of sunshine, and warm weather year-round. But it also means dealing with extreme summer heat, dust storms, and cool winter nights. Your home's windows play a vital role in keeping you comfortable, lowering energy costs, and protecting against the elements. If your windows are old, drafty, or inefficient, replacing them can be one of the best upgrades you'll ever make. This guide will walk Maricopa homeowners through everything they need to know about window replacement, from signs it's time to upgrade to choosing the best options for Arizona's climate. Why window replacement matters in Maricopa. Arizona's desert climate can be harsh on homes. Older or low-quality windows often allow hot air inside during summer and leak heat out during cooler months. Common problems with outdated windows include skyrocketing energy bills due to poor insulation, fading interiors from harsh UV rays, drafts and leaks that let in dust and pollen, noisy living spaces from nearby traffic or outdoor activity. Replacing your windows helps solve these issues while improving both comfort and efficiency. Signs it's time to replace your windows. Not sure if your windows need replacing? Here are the most common indicators. Condensation between panes. This means seals are broken and insulation is failing. Difficulty opening or closing. Warped frames or damaged tracks are common in Arizona heat. Drafts around the frame. If you feel hot air seeping in, your AC is working overtime. High energy bills. Old, single-pane windows are inefficient in Maricopa's climate. Faded furniture and flooring. Poor UV protection allows sunlight to damage interiors. If you're experiencing 2 or more of these, it's time to consider replacement. Best windows for Arizona homes. Choosing the right windows is key for long-lasting performance in Maricopa. Low E glass. Special coatings reflect heat while still letting in natural light. Double or triple pane glass. Extra layers provide insulation against desert heat and cooler nights. Argon or krypton gas fills. These invisible gases between panes minimize heat transfer. Vinyl or fiberglass frames. Both resist warping and extreme heat and require little maintenance. Tinted or UV blocking options. Reduce glare and protect against interior fading. These features combine to keep your home cooler in summer, warmer in winter, and more energy efficient year-round. Energy efficiency and cost savings. In Maricopa, air conditioning is essential for much of the year. Energy-efficient windows reduce cooling costs by keeping the heat outside and your cool air in. Over time, homeowners often see a significant drop in monthly utility bills. Some energy-efficient options may even qualify for rebates or tax incentives, making the investment even smarter. What to expect during replacement. Window replacement is typically a straightforward process, especially when handled by professionals. Initial consultation. A technician inspects your current windows and recommends options. Measurements. Each window opening is measured for a custom fit. Removal of old windows. Careful removal prevents damage to your home's walls. Installation of new windows. Frames are secured, insulated, and sealed against air leaks. Final inspection. Professionals test for smooth operation and airtight sealing. Most projects can be completed in just a couple of days, depending on the number of windows. The value beyond energy savings. While lower utility bills are a major benefit, new windows also improve curb appeal with modern designs and finishes. Increase property value, making your home more attractive to buyers. Enhance security with advanced locks and reinforced frames. Reduce outside noise, creating a more peaceful living environment. For Maricopa homeowners, window replacement is an investment that pays off in both comfort and home value. Final thoughts for Maricopa, Arizona homeowners. Window replacement is more than just an upgrade. It's a smart way to improve efficiency, protect your home, and boost its beauty. By choosing energy-efficient, desert-ready options and working with professional installers, you'll enjoy year-round comfort and long-term savings. Whether you're battling the desert heat, looking to lower energy bills, or simply want a fresh new look for your home, the right replacement windows will make all the difference.